Okay, we're gonna try this again to see if my car makes the sound that it makes on my lunch hour every day, almost every day. Figured I'd start it a little bit early today and see if it does it a little bit early. But we shall see. It's a sound that I can't describe to people, that I hear every day. I've never heard it before. It never happened before Adriana passed. It only does it on my lunch hour. It never does it when I'm driving to or from work, on the weekends, to the lake, nowhere. I mean, I haven't been to the lake since, but it just does this weird sound. I don't know. Hopefully it'll do it today. Because this is the only way that I can prove that there's a sound. Is if I catch it. But usually it happens around the time that she passed, which was 1:53. So we'll just see if it does it. I'm just filming the time just to see if it happens around that time, or as proof. But of course, it's not going to make the sound now that I have the recording on. I'll just keep it on there. See what happens. Hate when you're trying to prove something and then it never happens. Always happens that way. It should be getting closer to the time. Just give it another minute. If it doesn't do it, we'll try it again. I don't know if you can see that. It's 1:53 now. I don't know why my... There you go. Watch it do it like as soon as I turn the recording off. Oh, did you hear it? It did it. Yay! Not crazy. Hopefully y'all heard that.